Chris Wilcox here. I'm gonna bring you guys to my garage and I'm gonna show you my Leader Trickstar. So here we go.
Yeah, I'm G-O-O-D, you feel me?
Alright, so here it is.
Fresh fit, new chuck. I swear I feel like $1,000,000. And the leather seats feel like plush.
Velocity Chucker, 36 waist to Originate hub, SE landing gear fork, Originate crank arm and cranks. I've got a lime green chain by ACH or whatever the hell that's called. Rear chucker, 36 hole. Got the pedal consumption sticker, the raw sticker. Got some Originate bars, pretty sick. And then I got the ODI ribbed grips. Things are sick. We got Eastern bike seat, pivotal, and yeah, that's about it. Yeah, so that's my 656 Rat Pack bike, and maybe there'll be some more footage.